neighboring Uttar Pradesh, as we talk about that very shameful video that went viral when it comes to the incident being reported from Gomti Nagar, where a woman who was riding pillion on a bike as she was harassed by a mob on a waterlogged road. There were videos of the men around there. You can see they're absolutely shameful, who were splashing water on the couple. In fact, every car or every vehicle that passed by on that same road, this was the kind of shameful behavior that was being witnessed. However, when the situation escalated and the video went viral, the woman apparently was also groped when she fell on that waterlogged road. Around 16 people by the police have been arrested so far. The Chief Minister himself has taken cognizance and he's vowed stringent action, saying that ab to bullet train chalegi. This is how the Chief Minister reacted, as far as him promising the strictest possible action, saying that such kind of incidents or behavior will not be tolerated at any cost in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and women's safety is something that they all strive for, and saying that women are safe in Uttar Pradesh. But this is absolutely shameful, the kind of behavior that was witnessed on the Gomti Nagar area, the road there which was waterlogged. You can see the couple there on a bike, a woman riding pillion, in a way that she was harassed. She was allegedly also groped. Let's listen into the Chief Minister.
जो गोमती नगर की घटना है, उस घटना में भी हम लोगों ने जवाबदेही तय की है। उसके अपराधियों की सूची भी मेरे पास आई है। ये अपराधी हैं। पहला अपराधी है पवन यादव, दूसरा अपराधी है मोहम्मद अरबाज। ये सद्भावना वाले लोग हैं, इनके लिए बुलेट ट्रेन चलेगी, चिंता मत करो। और उस बुलेट ट्रेन की तैयारी की जा रही है, और इसीलिए महिला सुरक्षा हमारे लिए सर्वोच्च महत्व रखता है। हमने इस बात को पहले दिन कहा है, कोई खिलवाड़ करेगा तो उसका खामियाजा भुगतेगा। इस घटना को हमने गंभीरता से लिया है।
However, the opposition in the state of Uttar Pradesh has reacted strongly and has hit out at Yogi Adityanath, especially when it comes to naming the said accused, while the UP Chief Minister was talking about the action that has been initiated.
कि इतनी बड़ी घटना उत्तर प्रदेश की राजधानी और मुख्यमंत्री आवास के नजदीक हो रही है, सरकार उस पर गंभीरता से संज्ञान लेने के बजाय उसमें राजनीतिक रोटी सेक रही, वो भी उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री अपराधियों के नाम और धर्म बता रहे हैं। मुख्यमंत्री जी, इसी वजह से उत्तर प्रदेश में अपराध नहीं रुक रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप अपराधियों पर कार्रवाई करने से पहले उनके नाम और जाति धर्म देखते हैं। हम कभी भी अपराधियों का जाति नाम धर्म नहीं देखते। एक समान कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। 50 से ज्यादा लोग थे, लेकिन आप 2 लोगों को पकड़ते हैं। आप क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
Well, we have Adeep with us right now. Adeep, absolutely shameful, the kind of, the woman in a way that she was terrorized. In fact, every vehicle that was passing on that same road was in a way such kind of action that had taken place, and absolutely shameful to even watch those visuals. The Chief Minister has assured the strictest possible action, especially when it comes to that police chowki, when all of the staff there has been suspended, and action that has also been taken and initiated against them.
Well, definitely, Amita, not just the police chowki, the police outpost, but the 5 police officials have been suspended, which includes the SHO of Gomti Nagar police station and the chowki in charge. They all have been suspended, and 3 senior officials, including 2 IPS rank officers, they have been transferred from that particular area. In fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in UP Assembly said this himself, that he has taken the cognizance of the incident, and the strictest action is being taken against all the accused. So far, police has arrested 16 accused in this case, and the police, Lucknow police, is saying that there are some more people, and soon they will be arresting these people. They are trying to identify all the miscreants that were present in that particular area, in those viral videos. Police is trying to nab them through this security CCTV's camera in that particular area. Meanwhile, the opposition, the Congress party, is blaming Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. They are saying that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is seeing religion in this kind of crime instead of maintaining law and order. But Chief Minister has given clear instruction that no one will be spared.
Well, all of these miscreants are accused, and in a way, as far as the action that should be taken against them, irrespective of where they come from or what their names are, this is the allegation that is now being leveled on part of the Congress sitting in the opposition in Uttar Pradesh. Adeep, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.